You know, when you go into the court of kings and the king likes you, they give you something special. Something special, something befitting their status. You don't go to the court of a king and he gives you a fiver. Sidratul Muntaha is Muntaha, it's known because Jibreel alayhi salatu salam says, I can't go any further. Muntaha means end. Sidra means the lotus tree. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam described it that the leaves were the size of the ears of the elephant. Here Jibreel alayhi salatu salam says to the Messenger of Allah, from here you go. I can't go any further. No person has gone further than that. And this is Muntaha, means the end. Nothing after it. Imam Nawawi says, what does Muntaha mean? It means the fact that all the Anbiya, their knowledge, all the angels, their knowledge finishes there. It doesn't go any further. So there the Prophet ﷺ now enters, and I'm not going to go into the fiqh of this because it's very, very detailed. Did the Prophet ﷺ see Allah or did he not see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? It's a whole fiqhi bahath which we don't really have the time to go through. But anyway, so what happens there? He meets Allah. That's what established. Did he see Allah or did he not see Allah? We speak about that another occasion, inshallah. So he meets Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala now gives him something. You know, when you go into the court of kings and the king likes you, they give you something special. Something special, something befitting their status. You don't go to the court of a king and he gives you a fiver. Why? Because a fiver does not befit the king. So what did Allah give? One of the main thing that he gave to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was salah. Allahu Akbar. He gave him salah. All the other ahkam of the sharia were descended to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through revelation. The only thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to him for was salah. To emphasize to you and I the importance of salah. The salah for a believer is like the miraj. See, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the miraj, his body went to the heavens. When a believer prays his salah, his soul goes to Allah. He speaks to Allah directly. He reads Surah Fatiha. When a believer reads Surah Fatiha, Allah replies on every single sentence. It's a mirajul mu'min. The salah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could have just, like all the other ahkam, just sent Jibreel, zakat, fasting, all the other ahkam. Jibreel came and he informed the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. But not for salah. For salah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam to himself. And this is why, subhanallah, the salah is so important.